everybody. Well, we finally are going to start putting up the ceiling. Got all the wires run and gone over it and over it and over it a few times. We cut the foam out for where the fans are going to go and drilled holes in the ceiling. To do the fans, the same thing we did at the van build is I've got a template that we used like this, 14 1/8 by 14 1/8. By drilling holes in the roof, you can put the template up there, mark out where it goes, and be able to cut that. We don't have the fans yet, so but the wires are in. We have 4x4 sheets of Luan, which is a very thin plywood, and it's somewhat flexible, but when we try to bring it out, and this curve was even just to get to here, it was starting to crack. Back east I was able to do that, but it's a little moister back there. We're out in the desert. This stuff's been sitting out in the, getting even drier, if that's possible here in Arizona. And so what we decided to do is we're going to go from the center here, the center to here, which is 2 feet, and then we're going to cut another piece down for here, and then the third. So it's going to be 3 sections to get the ceiling up. So now we're going to just go through and be cutting out there and go right down the center as we go. We're drilling 2 1/8 diameter holes. That's where the LED lights are going to go. So we got to fish the wires through. One for the fan is just up in here in that bay. This is going to be the next piece we put up, and we'll drill a hole there. And then as we go, we're going to drill the holes as we go. And so we're basically going to go right down the center and go from there. Eventually, there is going to be a 1-inch gap here, but we're going to put some sort of maybe PVC, maybe, we don't know, some sort of trim work that'll hide that. So, well, we will just keep on going with this.
Put the screw in. And then we'll move
Right,
it.
not perfect, sorry.
It looks like it's right down the line, so.
So you're okay? Sorry. I might have had one too many bangs.
One too many what? Bangs?
Drinks. Bang drinks.
Hold it. Trouble you're having is because you're keeping this going straight up and down, but the screw's at an angle. So to keep the bit on the same plane. So put it on there
That's better, yeah,
like
like that.
that. So you want to.
One more. There you go.
Yep,
You got it.
there you go. So and there's today's lesson on how to drive screws. And Erin's building her bus. And away we go. Here we are at end of day 1 for the ceiling, and that's how it's going to look. We're going to put trim covering the edges and making everything nice. Mahogany is the bathroom area, and of course the fun with drilling holes for each light. That's why we put the wiring up and marked everything. And tomorrow all these other pieces go up for the next things, and we'll knock that out right away. Probably by lunch, I think. So And that's how we're doing the ceiling. The next time you see it will be us building walls. As far as the ceiling is concerned, we got some metal. The next video you'll see how we're actually covering up the holes where we took out the windows. We took out 4 windows. We need to cover those up on the outside. And then we got foam to insulate it. So see you next time on Erin's bus build.